All fine now? All right.
Yes.
So guys, all you can see is a glass of water. Okay. Now, what would happen if I try to do the electrolysis of this water? So for that, let's say I have taken this battery. These batteries are very, commonly found in those,
They're very cheap.
9 volt batteries, right? They are very cheap actually. You can just find it anywhere. So there, I need actually you can see I have just taken 2 pencils. Why am I taking pencils, guys? Because pencils, they contain graphite on the top, right? And you know that the graphites are actually conductor of electricity. I would ask you, why are they conductor of electricity? If you know the answer, just write it down in the chat right now. Because graphite is a non-metal. They are not supposed to be conductor of electricity. So why are they the conductor of electricity? Okay, just write it down if you know the answer. I can see many of you have turned your cameras off, guys. Don't do it. It feels like I'm talking to the ghost. All right. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this thing. See how am I holding this thing? Okay. The two side, like positive and negative side, both of them I'm touching with one side of the pencil. Okay, and the other side is also sharpened. Right. If I put this thing inside water, as you can see, nothing is gonna happen. Why isn't anything happening, guys? Because water is a very bad electrolyte, right? Poor electrolyte. It doesn't break. Why does it doesn't break, guys? Because it's a covalent compound. Only ionic compounds, they break, right, easily. Covalent compound, they don't really break that much. How do we know what is an ionic compound? What's a covalent compound? Metal non-metal mixture is ionic compound. Non-metal non-metal mixture is covalent compound. Water is H2O, hydrogen and oxygen, right? All of them are non-metals, so it's a covalent compound. Metal means salt. This is salt, guys. Salt is made up of Na and Cl, right? Sodium is the metal, Cl is a non-metal. So it's a ionic compound. So this is ionic compound. This one is covalent compound. We are all clear up to this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now if I take some salt and put it in the water, you can clearly see that. Just taking some salt and water. So what would happen, guys? This is the aqueous solution of NaCl. The question that I gave you. Aqueous solution of NaCl. So first I would just take it and I would just mix it. See, my target is I don't want to make a concentrated solution, because if I make it concentrated, the product would be different. I just want to make a dilute solution. So you have seen that in this entire glass of water, how much of salt have I mixed? Very few, right? Very little. Okay, you can see that it's got clearly mixed in it. It's saturated solution. So this is a NaCl aqueous solution for all of us, right? Now I would do the same thing. I would take these 2 pencils and hold it the same way as I did earlier. And I'm going to see what's going to happen in that situation, okay? Okay, guys, you have to be a little patient over here. You can see, I guess, some bubbles getting formed in one of the pencils.
So,
and if I just keep on holding it for a few more seconds, you start seeing the bubbles coming up from both the pencils. It might take a little time.